Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's George, and we're gonna be shooting this lock right here. It's a Yale lock. It's about an inch or so thick here in the center part, and about roughly ½ inch on the outer edges. So we're gonna see what the 7.62 by 39 can do to this. And I'm gonna remove one of my targets here and set it up like so, and we're gonna see what happens. Alright guys, as y'all can see, it went ahead and opened just like the movies, and the guts came out. So I'm shooting a little bit to the bottom side, so I'm gonna get my rifle out again and see if I can shoot in the center and see what happens. Oh, let me lock it up. There we go. I keep shooting bottom right. I guess I need to shoot from a little bit further distance. But anyways, I'm gonna give it a few more goes and see if I can do a little bit up here again. My hooks are a little bit messed up already. They've been abused a little bit. Alright guys, a little bit better there. Let's give it one more shot. Alright guys, well, here's the lock, and I'm gonna go ahead and move the camera from the tripod and take it to the desk and see how it looks. Alright guys, well, this is the lock. As y'all can see, it's pretty torn apart, and if you don't have any bolt cutters and you need to open a lock, you can always use your AK47 or your Mosin gun or whatever high power rifle you got, an AR-15 or so. But anyways, pretty much it here. I don't think this lock's gonna work anymore. So and there we go, it locks. Locked up on me, so good thing I have about 30 spare keys for this. Alright guys, well, pretty much it for this video, and hopefully you enjoyed, and that's a Yale lock for you. Bye bye guys.